Hey, it's Adam Ward, the LED guy, and I have an industry first here. Okay, what's in this package is super special because this is an outdoor LED splitter. Okay, so what this does is this allows you to take two sets of lights and run them in opposite directions. This is amazing. So this goes to your controller, and then this goes to one string of lights, and this goes to another string of lights. So never before have you been able to send lights in both directions, and that has been a problem for the LEDs for a long time now. So I got a separate set here, 16.4 foot section of permanent outdoor lights, okay? These are already by a brand I own, Asahome, and they're the only ones that make this splitter. This is unique to them. So we've got the input, the output, and the branch output that we can run. It's all labeled right on the front of the T-splitter, very easy to follow. So I already have the main lights ran on my son's house, and then we're running the second set of lights over across the garage, and then one goes up to another part of the house. So we actually need this splitter to do his house right because I had to put the plug on his front porch. So a lot of times the house design doesn't let you just do this single end, wrap it all over the house. It doesn't look good. Then they'll Photoshop pictures to make it look like you can do that, but you can't actually do that. So this splitter allows you to maintain the RGB IC, okay? The patterns that go on the lights, the way that it looks, the different multiple colors. It allows you to do this, no cutting, splicing, anything necessary. Simply mount these. Now what's nice about these lights too, I mentioned in my first video, is when you use the primer that's included with this, then these 3M things, they do not come off. These 3M stickers, the 094 primer and the 3M stickers, they stick on the house very, very well. So this little double-sided tape to mount the controller for the splitter, okay? So this has got, to be able to control what's going on. So you can take this, we'll double stick this, put this right up on the roof. But very excited about that, especially with Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas. Like, we put a bunch of different lights on the house and it'll be great. Simple instructions, really simple.